Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to have a look at how you can make your variable work a little bit differently. So what I'd like you to do is, where you can see MASH 3 at the top of your Python page, I would like you please to click on File, Save As, and change it so that it says MASH 4 and then save it. Okay, so what you're going to end up with is MASH 1, 2, 3 and now 4. So once you've got MASH 4 open, what we're going to do is the same concept we used before, but this time we're going to change the variable so that on each line the variable is something different. So we're going to start off with veg, which was our, whoops, let's just change that, VEG, which was our first variable. But this time, instead of us just saying veg equals and then ask them to type something in, or you type something in yourself, we're actually going to say veg1, in other words row 1, equals, and then we're going to choose what we want it to be. So I'm going to choose mushrooms. Okay, you see how I've used the speech marks, but I haven't used brackets. That's because this is a variable, okay? It's not a string, it's a variable. Okay, so let's go on to veg2 now. So you'll see veg2, no spaces, equals, this time I'm going to say cabbage. Who likes cabbage? All right, so I think you can get the idea here. I'm now going on to veg3 equals, and I think I should choose turnips for this one. And then after turnips, I'm going to say veg4 equals, well, I might have Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I've got my variables sitting up there. What I need to do is I need to have my poem in here as well. A little bit of a Blue Peter moment. So what we're going to do is, you've already got print mashed veg on the ceiling, print veg on the floor, but all you've got to do now is put in the numbers: veg1, veg2, veg3, veg4, save it, and then run it. If you get this message popping up, just click on OK, it should disappear on you, and then down here you should see what you've asked the computer to put in, the program to put in, is represented at the bottom. So why don't you have a little bit of fun with that, and we'll see you in a minute.